Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to talk about MetaMask, a crypto wallet. And you'll see why MetaMask, how to install, how to add Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain accounts, send, receive coins, and do transaction. Keep the wallet safe. Please watch the complete video before starting operation. What is MetaMask? MetaMask has been under active development since early 2015 and is used by thousands of daily users on desktop and mobile browsers with an estimated millions monthly active users. It's one of the most popular wallets for the blockchain tokens out there. Why choose MetaMask? MetaMask is a browser plugin that can be used to access Ethereum and other blockchain-based applications. It lets you create a wallet right in your browser so you don't have to download anything or leave any traces on your devices. Plus, it doesn't even require an email address, unlike some other wallets. The best part? MetaMask will not broadcast your transactions over the internet. It uses locally stored data so nobody can see what you're doing on your device. And if you ever lose your password, all of your private keys and personal information will still be safe since they are stored locally on your device. Install MetaMask. To get started, you will need to head over to the MetaMask website. Here, you can download MetaMask for your browser. For example, if you are using Chrome, you will want to download the Chrome version of MetaMask. Next, install the extension and open it up. Here presented with two options. Import wallet. This is for users who already have an existing MetaMask wallet on a different device and would like to import it over to a new one. Create a wallet. This is for users who want to set up a brand new MetaMask wallet. Select the Create a Wallet option. Agree to the disclaimer. Create a password. A screen will then appear that outlines a secret recovery phrase. You will need to carefully copy down each word in the order they are presented on the screen. Keep the recovery phrase in a safe place. Type in word sequence. Now you are able to access your MetaMask wallet. We will go through the main components that you'll need to familiarize yourself. This is the address you can freely share with people in order to receive cryptocurrency into your wallet. Click on the upper right three dots as you can see. View accounts in Explorer. You will see all of your account activity and transaction details. The ETH balance in native value, today's fiat value, and a separate total balance of all your custom ERC20 tokens. You will also see all the up-to-date transactions in your wallet. The account details menu. You will then see QR code for your account. Your public address. An option to view your account on etherscan.io, which we just did. And export your private key. Type the password. Read the warning message carefully. Take record of the private key. If you still remember, just now we kept the 12-word seed phrase. What's the difference? Here we can explain by adding another account, account 2. While a seed phrase is used to back up your entire MetaMask wallet, including all accounts created in that wallet. So, we can recover both account 1 and account 2 in the same wallet by the seed phrase. The private key can be used to import that account, and that account only, into a different wallet. In a similar manner, single accounts from other crypto technologies can be imported to your MetaMask wallet. That is to say, for example, we can import account 1 into other wallets by importing its private key. Therefore, it is extremely critical to keep your seed phrase and private key in a safe place. The connected site gives a list of the websites we interact with. This is a new wallet, and we haven't any yet. Fund your wallet. Send, receive, swap. You might notice straight away that we're dealing with an Ethereum wallet. By default, MetaMask supports connecting to 6 different networks: Ethereum mainnet, 4 popular test networks, and a localhost network used by software developers. However, MetaMask can connect to any Ethereum-compatible network, too. In this video, we will connect to Binance Smart Chain. It doesn't come packaged with MetaMask. On the settings page, add a network. Or, we can choose the network's drop-down list on top right, click Add Network. Fill in the parameter for each to add the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. Once you save the network and return to the main view, you'll notice two things. The network has automatically been set to the one you just entered. And the units are no longer denominated in ETH, but in BNB. We will transfer BNB coin from Binance Exchange to MetaMask. If you don't have the Binance Exchange account yet, there's a link down the video for register. Copy the address in MetaMask. Paste the address. Click Binance Smart Chain and enter the amount. Submit. Binance will ask for confirmation. Here is the email and phone number, but it could be a bit different on your screen. After a minute, the transaction will appear in the MetaMask wallet, and we are good to go. Next, I will demonstrate how to swap. Please bear in mind that at any time, we must keep certain amount of BNB in the wallet as transaction fee, or gas fee as you like. We can use the built-in swap in MetaMask. Click the Swap button. Select the tokens you want to swap and click Get Quotes. Let MetaMask work its magic. Once confirmed, the transaction will be completed. However, today I will show you the transaction on PancakeSwap, a decentralized exchange. Visit PancakeSwap to connect the wallet to the platform. Go to the exchange page. Choose the token you want to swap and enter the amount, and choose the token you want to receive in the To field. I am selling my BNB for USDT. It's 2 steps. First, you should approve the token you want to swap, which will allow the smart contract to spend. Second, do the swap and confirm the transaction. As you see, for each transaction, we pay gas fee. Stay safe with MetaMask. Finally, we have a few tips for security. Scan your computer and electronic devices frequently to make sure they are free of malicious viruses. As with any password, please work offline, disconnecting the internet when revealing the seed phrase and private key. Ideally, you physically write down and save your backup in multiple locations. You should never create a digital copy of any password you create. When you connect MetaMask with the DApps, do not open multiple tabs. Keep only the tab on the browser you are using open. Manage the extension on Chrome. Choose when you click on this extension, instead of on all sites. After using it, immediately lock the wallet. So, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.